A little clean of my lens in here. A little bit crusty still. Good as new. Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Kyle, that's your real name. I hate myself already. Anyway, on today's episode of Ruining My Beamer, jumping right into this with some... Get your tuchus out of the way. Bam! Literally just filters. Isn't that exciting? What? Oh, your dump
like to call it the dump truck.
Get your dump truck out of my frame. So we're going full race with some awesome dual cone intakes that are CTS, which is a brand I've never heard of. When I bought them, they were Burger Tuning. Upon further inspection, not at all. We'll also put my snorkel piece in that I haven't been running for 3 days because I don't have a good answer for that one. And then we're going to be doing legitimate burger tuning things because it, you know, says Burger Motorsports. Wow. For up here, and all the benefits listed are insane. It gets rid of 10 pounds of plastic, apparently. That's... You say that's 10 pounds of plastic?
Oh, it's screwed down. Good for you. That's improvement.
The filter's screwed down. The metal tray's not. So, you know, that's going to save me a solid 30 ounces of plastic weight. But more whoosh noises. The dual cones are apparently good. I don't know. I'm still new to the N54, but that means you're a race car, so we got to do it. So that's got to go. That's hose clamps and a tug. That's got to come off and not break it. It's a whole lot of 8 mils. Half of them weren't even installed by the previous owner, so that's the thing. We got to figure that out. Whether that's going to be an issue or not, I will let you guys know, because it'll either be an issue or it won't. Is that right?
Something like that.
And everything else is lost in... Where's my stuff lost from FedEx now? Not Houston. Memphis, Tennessee. Everything else needed for the car is lost in Memphis, Tennessee. So...
Look at all the ducklings.
Where are we looking to ducks?
Look, come look at there's a bunch of little ducklings.
On the ground?
Yeah.
Ow, I just walked into my mirror. Ow, walked into another mirror. Those are not ducks. Those are gooses. They look good in a sandwich. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Screw the Beamer, I'm looking at gooses. Okay, so before this had absolutely 0 screws. We have upped that to 4 screws only, which is a perfect number for those. So it's been a busy day. We've done pretty much everything, but whoosh noises, engine noises, air noise is. So let's get anywhere. Apparently this has a ton of upgrades. Wait, no. Apparently this has a ton of benefits. This is all 8 mils up here to get this cowling off. Honestly, biggest benefit is, let's be real, N54, not known for reliability. What? So once I get that out of the way, it's gonna be a lot easier to do things such as, I don't know, turbos, valve cover, other things. You guys are scaring the hell out of me.
Sorry.
So we're gonna get right into it, rip that all off, and throw stuff on, and we're good. Apparently these can only go on one way. So the thinner rubber side goes down and the thicker rubber side goes up. So place that there before I lose it and misplace them and put them in the wrong spot. So 2 screws each to hold these in. Just reuse those factory 8 mils. suddenly we have all this room to see our terrible dirtiness of an engine. Slap these in though. Good point to mention. We're gonna have to do a little bit cleaning first off, but I did do a wire tuck. I got rid of those two plastic pieces that go around. I rerouted all the cables and hoses to the rear of the engine and tucked it under some boost lines. So that's why I don't have two giant things going across. It is possible. That's in a previous video. And I did also loom the battery cable. So that's that. Those are in. They look pretty good. So we got a lot of clean to do. Next up though, we're gonna do our dual cone filters. We're gonna pop this off. Well, that was not doing anything. Rip off some hose clamps, and as far as I understand, that's pretty much it. So cross your fingers and let's hope we don't kill a beamer today. Again. Alright guys, so that's the engine right now. We're just going to tuck some cables, probably give it a courtesy wipe, try to clean up some of that crap, make it look a little better. We should probably plug this in. Now I am thinking I'm going to get some flexible line, reuse this T, and go off of a crimp down here, probably right here, and just run a silicone line somewhere out of the way so that looks a little cleaner as well, and then tuck it to the back. Now that we have nothing else in the way, that's looking pretty damn clean. Let's start up, see what she sounds like. Full disclosure, I forgot I have a pretty shitty power steering pump, so you may not even hear anything at all, so look forward to that. I don't know how that sounds out here, but that actually is really good on the inside. That's not bad at all. And we're almost done. One thing left to do. It sounds good at the front. We gotta make it sound better at the back. So on the driver's side, right underneath, we have us a vacuum line here that I just cut. This is going to be the valve for the, I believe it's like sport exhaust. There's two ways to do this. I'm going to do the Golf T mod, which is the line we cut off. We now just have to plug. So I got to find where that jumped to and then go ahead and do that, and then should have sport exhaust too. Alright, so we did just go ahead and thread a screw in this. This is a little bit of a janky setup, and then through a cable tie. The cable tie is not even necessary. That is in there real good. So I'm going to tuck this up now. Get away from any exhaust pipe. We can go ahead and leave this pretty much unplugged in open atmosphere, and now we should have our valves open at all times, so that's pretty cool. There's also a way you can go on the trunk, and on the liner on the left side you can disconnect something. I've heard that gives you check engine lights, so we're not into that. Let's go ahead, throw you at the back and see what she sounds like now. I'll be honest on that one, I can't even tell the difference, so that may be something you only hear on the outside of the car, but maybe on startup it's a little more rumble, that's about it. So is it worth it? Couldn't tell you for sure, but it's done now. However, these things are noisy, these are rowdy. We'll see how they do, we'll see what they feel like. Haven't driven it yet, we're blocked in by a Honda. Really? But that's pretty much it, guys. So go ahead, tidy up, close the hood. See if we have a sensor or thinking the hood's open still. Clean up a little bit and make her look prettier. I'd say we're good to go. All right, guys, so we got her together. It sounds pretty good, actually. I can't complain. Totally transformed this car today. We did a lot. Pretty happy with it. So apparently we shaved 10 pounds off the front end. You'll never feel it. It's pretty much immeasurable, and it's definitely not 10 pounds, but honestly, ease of access to working on the car, that's probably the biggest attractive feature for me. So I like tinkering on my cars, I like tuning on them, it saves me a lot of time. So that's about it, guys. Can't wait to rip this thing on the street, see how it feels, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. We got some parts coming for this thing, so I'm pretty excited. So thank you guys for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.